Hey everybody, Carter from Autorama Auto Sales in Dickinson, North Dakota and AutoramaAuto.com. Today I got a nice one. This is a 2015 EcoBoost Laramie Longhorn. Let's turn it off so you can hear me better. This truck is loaded up. A Maximum Steel with the canyon brown and the light frost beige interior. Has the ram boxes on it. It's 4-wheel drive. Man, that leather is awesome. It still smells like new. All the goodies inside. You got the heated seats, the cooled seats, the heated steering wheel, the navigation, you name it. Remote starter, all the good stuff. No accidents, clean CARFAX. It's local, has the ram boxes on it. You can see it at Autorama Auto Sales in Dickinson, North Dakota, or AutoramaAuto.com. Remember, we're the dealer without the outrageous hidden fees.